For more information, please refer to your owner's manual. Your dishwasher has the latest technology in dishwasher filtration. The filter system consists of two parts, an upper filter assembly and a lower filter. These both need to be removed, cleaned, and replaced periodically, approximately every 1 to 3 months, to ensure acceptable wash performance. To remove the filter, turn the upper filter assembly a quarter turn counterclockwise and lift out. Clean the filter by rinsing under running water. To put the filter back in, place the lower filter under the locating tabs in the bottom of the dishwasher so the round opening for the upper filter assembly lines up with the round opening in the bottom of the tub. Then, insert the upper filter assembly into the circular opening in the lower filter. Slowly rotate the filter clockwise until it drops into place. If the filter is not fully seated and still turns freely, continue to turn the filter clockwise until it drops and locks into place. Important: to avoid damage to the dishwasher, do not operate your dishwasher without the filters properly installed.